There are too many railroad tracks around where I live to not dedicate one day doing push-ups on railroad tracks. Let's get to it. I think I'm gonna lose the jacket first. It's chilly, it's 35 degrees today. I rode my bicycle here, so I'm sweating a little bit. Okay, let's go. Woo, 50. Do you have old abandoned railroad tracks near you? If so, tell me all about it. Did you ever walk the railroad tracks when you were a kid? We did. Thanks for joining me today. Today's short and sweet, day 22. If you like this content, like it, subscribe to me, hit the notification bell, and remember to do it. See you on the next video.